Well, hello, friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So, we're going to go ahead and get this video started so we can start telling you some things that you can do with some of the DIYs. Okay, I'm working on the DIY for Friday, so look out for that tutorial. Now, right here in this iCard, we did a lovely setup for an event stylist or an event planner. Now, this is the video that, a part of the video that I did with our students, showing them how you can do it as an event stylist. But this is a way that you can do it right here if you want to use it for regular home decor. So these items can be used on your table setting or tablescape. So we also have in this one, we have this as a centerpiece, okay? And this centerpiece can be used for a centerpiece at home. Now I'm going to show you a technique right here at the bottom. You see the brooch, and then right here, excuse me, where you see that tea light candle holder that you can buy from the Dollar Tree, you can use the same technique. In the other video, I did not have that riser, that gold riser. However, I placed the gold riser and then the LED light candle. So my friends, like I've been telling you, you can still use these designs for whether you're going to use it at home. Like I have this double stack with the chargers, home decor, even event planning. All right, everyone, I hope that this was a very helpful video. And right here in this video, I'm getting ready for an online class. Okay, everyone, you have a beautiful and blessed week. Bye-bye.